Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to a new video, and for today's episode, we're going to unbox two Jordan 1 sneakers. One is a Jordan 1 High, and the other one is a new Jordan 1 Low. If that interests you, let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away two awesome items. We're giving away a Redmi Note 9 Pro as well as an ASICS Transformer sneaker. We will be drawing the winner this weekend already. So if you haven't subscribed yet, if you haven't liked my Facebook page yet, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, now would be the best time to do so. Good luck. So as promised, we have two sneakers over here. This one is the Jordan 1 Low. This one is the Jordan 1 High. Let's kick things off with the low, then we'll get into the highs over here to my left. This is the Jordan 1 Low Special Edition, or SE. I'm not sure if SE stands for Special Edition. I'm just assuming that. And it's called SE because I think the material that they used for the back part of the shoe is not your typical leather. And you'll see it once I show you the shoe. But bam! Take a look at that. Let's take a closer look. Now, what makes it SP? I think it's a material that they use over here. So as you guys can see, it's some sort of like perforated suede. And that material extends here at the back of the ankle up until here at the collar. If you go to the side panels to the toe box, it is your typical leather. So this is what dramatically changed versus your typical Jordan 1 Low. Now this sneaker came in different colors. I think there was an SE in like blue and in red, but the only one that I was left with that I could cop was this Vault color, which is kind of okay because it is one of those sneakers that will really just pop. In terms of styling it, you have two options. You can wear it with the Vault laces, which I think is the best way to do it. But if you wanna, make it a little bit more subtle, you can actually go with the black laces so that the pop just looks or just appears here at the back of the shoe. So ultimately, it depends on how you want to wear it. Personally, I'm okay with the Vault, but I wouldn't mind wearing it also with the black one. Again, guys, if you want to cop one, all you have to do is to check out the Nike Philippines website. I'll put the link down below. I got this for a little less than 6,000 pesos, but unfortunately, it's already sold out. So if you want to try to buy one, you won't be able to do that. But what I will do is I will link to a couple of sneakers that you might find interesting in the description box that you might want to buy, some of which are just recently released on the Nike Philippines website. So this is the first one. This is the Jordan 1 Low SE. And for our next sneaker, this is the Jordan 1 High Royal Toe. So this came out a few weeks ago. I was actually able to order it online, and again, very happy that it arrived despite the lockdown and the ECQ that we're currently in here in the Philippines. So if you pop the box open, ba-bam! This is what the sneaker looks like. There's something about smelling fresh Jordans out of the box that just makes me really happy. Are you guys like that as well? Let me know in the comment section. But anyway, as you guys can see, this is the Jordan 1 High Royal Toe. You have that royal blue color here at the toe box that also extends here along the collar of the ankle and here on the outsole. The accent is made with the black and the white, so the contrast happens there, which makes the blue pop a little bit more on the shoe. We have two lacing options. The first one is if you go with the black one, which is a little bit more subtle, and then you also have the option of going with the blue laces if you want it to pop a little bit more. Just like the same philosophy that we saw with the Jordan 1 Low. You can go with the Vault to make it hype, go with the black to make it subtle. This one, the default is black, but again, you can wear it with the blue one. So what I'll do now is I'll actually put the sneaker on feet and share you guys what it looks like with black laces, and then I'll share with you what it looks like with blue laces as well. So you have an idea of what are the two different looks that you can get with the shoe, and you can make your mind up on which one that you want to wear if ever you guys decide to pick a sneaker like this up in the coming days ahead. So which look do you guys prefer? Blue laces, black laces? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from all of you. And before we end today's vlog, let me just show you one last thing. So this order finally arrived. I got it from Lazada. So if you guys are looking for Funko Pops, make sure that you look for the shop Comic Odyssey on Lazada. So they sell only legit Funko Pops. Their prices are really good. They also have hard to find Funko Pops like this one, which is the Vegeta from Dragon Ball eating ramen. So this is the Funko 2020 Spring Convention Limited Edition exclusive. I actually have the Goku version of this as well, which I think is an Amazon exclusive. And I did also pick up this one, which is the Chase Collectibles exclusive Vegeta Gallic Gun. And also, I picked this one up, which is Saitama from One Punch Man. So all the Funko Pops that you guys see actually at the back are mostly, well, all of them are actually Dragon Ball. So I collect that line, but I'm starting to collect also the One Punch Man line, just because it's also my favorite anime. And if you want to find Funko Pops, I'll put a link down below. You can shop them on Lazada, Comic Odyssey. Shout out to the owners of the shop. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you guys. And that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you like this video, share this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.